Everyone, today I will show you how to fix a problem with touchscreen on Windows CE radio. This is ISUDAR, but it will work on Mac and other no-name radios. They are almost the same, and let me show you what the problem is. As you can see, the touch seems to be not working, but it's working. It's just mirrored. So to fix this, you don't need to replace a touch panel or something. You just need to adjust it in settings. So go to the settings. I don't know how is it called in English, but this is like more settings. So let's do factory settings. Now you need to be careful and click it the right position. So the password in this case is 3711. More. Now we are inside the menu. Now is it in English, so it's fine. So go to others. Oh, I forgot. And now click till you will get to the, here it is, touch XY, and if you will adjust to 0, now click save, not import, click save. I'm sorry. Now click save, and now restart the radio. And now the touch will be working again. As you can see, now it works as it should. So that's how you fix it. If the touch isn't working at all, you will need to replace the touch panel. So if you have any questions, just write below in the comments, and have a great day.